What makes a good outdoor industrial-grade PoE power supply? I believe it should adhere to strict industrial design specifications and possesses highly reliable and stable performance. Even in the most adverse environments, it should continue to provide reliable and stable power and network output. The product we are introducing today, the PT-PSE 105GE, fully meets those criteria. It can start up at full load even in -40 degrees in low temperature environments, with its sleek black metal casing ensuring effective heat dissipation even in high temperature surroundings. Additionally, it features a wide range voltage from 12 volts to 48 volts, ensuring normal operation of the output devices. As an industrial PoE power supply with boost function, it boosts the voltage to around 55 volts, thereby providing stable PoE output to meet the needs of high voltage PoE devices. So let's see how it works. First, connect the DC port. With the DC power supply. Turn the power on. Next, we connect the internet with our LAN port. Finally, we connect the network camera using this network cable. Connect the PoE port with the network camera. You can see it's working now. Now we can see the network is working now. Let's adjust the voltage from this DC work. It's 35 volts. The camera is working, still working. Now it's 22 volts. The camera working properly. Now it's 14 volts. The camera still working. Okay, next we dive into its lighting protection feature. With its secure and reliable lighting protection design, it provides 6 kV common mode surge protection and 1.5 kV differential mode protection, ensuring the equipment is protected from the lightning-induced voltage, power interference, electrostatic discharge, and other damages. However, in high-frequency lighting environments, it is still recommended to install the surge protector and specific grounding to fully protect the equipment. Well, it is important to note that in order to avoid insufficient operating space for grounding, after installing the dedicated grounding, we first need to connect the grounding hole to the dedicated grounding using the grounding wire, and then install the devices on the gate rail. Now, let's take a look at the scenarios it can apply to. It can widely used in the telecommunications and security network data centers and other PoE terminal equipment applications. For more information, please visit our PoE State website. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.